Okay, welcome to my channel, and today I will show you how to grill octopus. I've been on the Laghetti market, unfortunately nothing interesting there to show, but I've bought this lovely octopus there, and now I will grill them. How much there? How much there? 280. 280? Cut it across the body, from the belly side. Remove the beak. Beak removed first. That's it. Now eyes. See, guys, you can just cut them off like that. That's it. No more eyes. And second one. Okay, eyes are removed. And then head. Just remove all the head content. It's very dirty job again. We remove all the organs, and this black color will be washed away. Water is boiling, and we add a little bit of salt, and we will put octopus inside to boil them for a little bit, and just, you know, as usually when you put octopus, you just play them a little bit to make them curly, but I think it's just silly job, just throw them away into the water. The octopus started to boil, and we can add a little bit of bay leaves to make it even more aromatic. That's it. No more spices. This onion, I mean garlic once, and the onion, I mean garlic is ready, so you know how to do this trick. Very easy and simple. Fresh, I mean melted butter and a lot of garlic. Just press it with the garlic press inside. Так, возьмем вот масло и туда давим чеснок. Вот чеснок, масло давим и под... Let's go. Okay, and we mix with this butter with garlic and a little bit of sea salt. Yes, sea salt. So our octopus boil about an hour, and they are very soft, very tender, and ready for grill. So, and now we will put our octopus on this griddle. I think this griddle will work quite good with octopus, and we will add a little bit of flavor on top. And now add our garlic butter on top of this octopus, just to make a flavor. So all butter will go on top, and then lock our fish basket. Okay, the fire is ready, and it's very hot fire, so it's good. So we can cook octopus on this fire. So just put on top and let's cook them. We can swap them on other side. See, they almost cook here. And melt the butter on the other side. So they're ready, and we put them on the plate. And now last touch, sprinkle with olive oil. And now octopus, just slice a little bit for yourself and serve it like that. And now it's octopus time. Let's slice a little bit of octopus and try it. I like this octopus. This is how you need to grill octopuses if you got some. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and wait for new interesting videos. Thank you, bye!